I'm going to demonstrate how to share Google Files with others using Google Drive. So we're going to go to drive.google.com. And it's going to bring up your Google Drive, which has anything that you've done through Google in it, from sheets to slides to docs. It's all right here. So we're going to click Knies 205, and it's going to come up with these options in the corner. This one will give you a shareable link, so you can copy the link and share it with someone using the link, or you can share Knies 205. Once you click this, you insert the email address or addresses of the people that you want to share it with. Right here, if you click on this little drop down arrow, you give them the options to either they can only comment on it, they can edit the document as well, or they can only view it. If they can view it, they cannot edit it, they will not be able to comment on it. If it's comment, they can only comment, they will not be able to edit, and if it's edit, then they can do all of the above. You can also, from Google Drive, you can preview the document that you clicked on, or you can open it. They also have shared with me. Shared with me is from other people that have now shared a document with you before it goes into your drive. It comes to shared with me. Recent documents is the most recent documents that you've opened. Starred, you can star documents to make it easier to find later. Let's go back to Google Drive. You can also open your files from here. If you double click on it, it will open the document that you've clicked on. And once you've opened the document, you can also share it from here. Right now it's private only to me, but if I click share, I can do the same thing as I can on Google Drive and type in an email address and select how they can view it. And that is how to share documents using Google Drive.